Assalamu alaikum. This is Ahmed from Alhannah Islamic Clothing. Today we're going to show you how to wear the shemagh with the Agal. But before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. We have a lot of video coming up. We don't want you to miss any of it. First, we're going to start with the shemagh folded like a triangle, just like that. When you fold it like that, you put it over your head, in the middle of your head. And make sure this sit in the middle. And make sure this fabric in here in the front go right in the middle of your forehead, just like that, the way it's shown here. And adjust it, nice, like that. And make sure this iron in the middle of your head, just like that. And now you get the Agal and put it over your head, just like this. Make sure not too back, not too much in the front, just like right over here. And showing about 2 inches in the front, or 2 finger measurement in the front. And make sure those sit nice and neat, like that. And this one here, fold it, make sure like give you that little shape of it. And that's how you put the first step. And adjust it. Nice. Make sure those matching together, just like that. Now, because you want to fold the shemagh over your shoulder, over your head, what you do, you pull the shemagh forward a little bit to give you a little room to be your hand flexing. Now, we fold this side, but like that, and we grab it with this right hand, and put our hand about like eye level, and we fold it to the back, and we drop it, just like that. That's one side. Okay, and make sure this one nice and neat, and this is like your eye level, look like that. And now we're going to do the other side. We fold it like that. We grab it with our hand, just like this, you know, the right hand, the left hand, I mean. And you put your hand over here, like eye level, and you make sure go to the middle of your head and drop it. Now we have both sides shown, and this is shape, look, like that, the shape of that, I'll give you like nice shape. And now what we're going to do, if you see any fabric showing, like from this side, you just push it to the back, like that. Make sure this in the middle over here, like in the cross in the middle of your head, make sure like pull a little bit to the front, and this is how it shows. And if you want to look on sideways, this is how it shows. There's a link below for all these items you see in this video. Which video you would like to see next? Please let me know in the section below.